Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to screenshot chats on Snapchat secretly without them knowing. Very, very easy and simple to do. So you just want to head over to Snapchat and open it up. Once you're on Snapchat, just go over to your chats, and then you will see all your chats that you have here. All you have to do is pick one that you want to open up without them knowing. So let's just say I'm going to do the only one I have here on my second account. All I'm going to do is go up to the top control panel. So you just want to drag down if you're on the newer phones, or just swipe up if you're on the older phones. And all you want to do here is just put your phone in airplane mode. Just ensure your Wi-Fi and data services are turned off. What you want to do then is you want to open up the chat. Now it says right away I screen recorded the chat. Totally fine. It's just because I'm screen recording to record this video. So say, for example, you were to screenshot this. It says you took a screenshot of the chat. Do not worry about that at all. It's totally fine. You can exit out of here. It's going to still say screenshot. That's totally fine. We could then exit out of Snapchat and delete the application and remove it. And you can just put delete. Just make sure you don't put it to your library or anything like that. Just fully delete it. You can then go ahead and turn back on your data, so your Wi-Fi and data services can come back on. Then you can go over to the App Store, and you just want to find Snapchat in the App Store and just re-download it. So we'll just give this a couple seconds to re-download and install back here, and then we're just going to have to log back in. And once it's done, you can go ahead and open it up. And you just want to re-log into your account as well. So just go ahead and click login, and then log into your account. And click login. And then we can just go over to our chats. And as you can see there, it says the chat has not been opened. The message is still fresh. I will also show you guys the screenshot as well. So if you just go over to your photos and over to the screenshot I just took here, you can see that I took this screenshot when I was recording the video. So you guys can see it clearly works and you're safe to go ahead and do this. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.